Doc McStuffins, all stuffed up. Stuffy and Lammy are playing hide and seek with Doc. Shh! They are hiding in the closet. They hope Doc won't find them. Doc finds Stuffy and Lammy in the closet. Doc finds a stuffed bear named Teddy Bee in the closet too. Doc remembers Teddy Bee. He was her brother Donnie's favorite toy. She gives Teddy Bee back to Donnie. Donnie is happy to see Teddy Bee. He gives Teddy Bee a big hug. Donnie and Teddy Bee are both happy. Then Donnie starts to sneeze. Oh no! Donnie lets out another sneeze. And then another sneeze. Now Donnie remembers why Teddy Bee was in the closet. Hugging Teddy Bee makes Donnie sneeze. He gives Teddy Bee back to Doc. Teddy Bee is sad. But Doc thinks she can help. Doc will give Teddy Bee a checkup. She will find out why he makes Donnie sneeze. Doc brings Teddy Bee to her playhouse. Teddy Bee meets Hallie and Chili and Squeakers. Then Doc grabs her doctor bag. It is time for Teddy Bee to have a checkup. Doc taps Teddy Bee with a little reflex hammer. A cloud of dust flies up. Stuffy and Lammy start to cough. Now Doc knows what is wrong. Teddy Bee has a bad case of the Dusty Musties. Doc knows that Donnie is allergic to dust. Dust makes Donnie sneeze and sneeze. Doc tells Teddy Bee not to worry. There is a cure for the Dusty Musties. Mom can wash off the dust in the washing machine. Doc tells her mom that Teddy Bee has the Dusty Musties. Mom goes to get some soap for the washing machine. Teddy Bee is scared. He wants to be Donnie's favorite toy again. But is Teddy Bee brave enough to have Mom clean him up? Lammy and Stuffy want to help. They will let Mom wash them too. Teddy Bee can be brave when his friends are there. Mom comes back with the soap. She puts Teddy B, Lammy, and Stuffy into the washing machine. Then she puts in the soap. Beep! She turns on the washing machine. Soon, Teddy B is all clean. No more dust. Dot gives Teddy B to Donnie. This time, Donnie does not sneeze. Donnie and Teddy B are happy. Another toy cured. No more Dusty Musties for Teddy B. Thanks, Doc. The end. Thanks for watching. Make sure you click the like and subscribe button for more videos.